1 foot, 2 feet. What is the meaning of this word? Okay, so let's go to our next activity. So can you read it, Minan?
Foot.
Foot. Okay, next one.
Feet.
Feet. Why this feet is like this? Okay, let's go to the next one. How you read this one?
Mouse.
Mouse. Next one. Mice.
Mice.
Okay, so this one, Minan, just like this one here. Okay, when you see only 1 foot, you only say foot. When you see more than 1 foot or 2 or 3 or more foot, this will be called feet. Okay, just like this. If you see only one mouse, you only say mouse. If you see 2 or more mouse, we call it mice. Okay, so let's go to the next one, Minan. How about this one?
Fish.
Fish. It will be okay. How do you read this one again? Fish and
Fish.
okay. So there are still the same fish and fish. So we cannot say fishes. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. This time,
Child.
child.
Trial.
Okay, how about if you see 2 or more child, what do you think are they?
Children.
Okay, children. Yeah, that's it. Okay, next one.
Woman.
Okay, if you see 2 or more women, what do you call them?
Woman.
Okay, women. You can say women. Okay, next one. Minan.
Man.
Okay, if you see 2 or more men, it will be
Man.
men. Okay, next one we have. How do you read this one? Person.
Person.
Okay, if you see 2 or more person, it will be. What do you think? It will be.
People.
Okay, so you remember this one. If you only see one, you can